put projects together. Give us one go get to it. Your movie na the best movie where they Nollywood, where they YouTube today for a do movie. Make the rest bring their own come and most. Error, now let you. Now let you matter whatever I remember that time acting away, go meeting away. Now let you. Now let you. Now let you. So like this, forget them, leave them. You must see better no buy your way. Was it you want me? I will. Everybody go to go love you. Don't let anybody know. My soon ye ni ana. Iya le yo lerene. Oh, mo ya yo mo ya rene. What soon ye ni na wo yo le. Oh, yo le yazikpe. Awo wo no wo le yazikpe. La wo wo. Do wo ekwa mo ya na ke no wo na ka mo ya da. E de gbe we bai. They just subtract you from them because you don't belong there. You are 100 times better than them. They see it by themselves, but you were not knowing. For you, like the things I be a do. And so my people. Now you be tell there. But God now don't finally use them to tell you, say, Ebony, my daughter, Ebony, my queen of movie, you don't belong here. Leave and don't come back. Babe, go and say, go and prosper. You will be separated from darkness. You will be separated from evil. You will be separated from gathering of disaster. Thank God for your life. Not talk to any of them. Not be other. Not talk to any of them. None of them way you reach when you go talk to. If I be a Jew, I go do this pride. That pride where they say you get. Now one know that you really get pride. None of the rich where you go talk to. If na immediately get that kind of pride where they say you talk, where they say you get. Igbali do who go on your don't know your damn. Do go on your by who by Henneke. That you see Morocco by one body in Morocco, no see no bomb the ashes, no bomb ashes or have your quiet corner because you must say a president in a when I have a corner when I say about one alley where driver down other movies or so one alley for real condition manager. Then when maybe president Hano, maybe they to home, we're not Larry. If I own driver, I'm talking, I'll be moving. Oh, we not know it. Oh, what that shikini? Oh, one we not know it. Go work for you. So I beg. Who don't big. I know why here. Say me, I know why here Ebony. I know why here. I to go love you. You know. I know why here. I know why here. Say you talk to these people. I know why here. That they flog my page. Of course I know, but that don't mean anything. If I don't come on, I'll let God know when I'll see come back again. Or when something like if you see concern Ebony, I'll see come back. If you see concern Ebony, I'll see come back. Because me can why you marry and they can why you are me call wava. Me why you call wava. You can why you marry. Still less no look really. Anyway, I can't beg anyway. Can one queen home. Me why you call wava. Ebony wala lao and Ebony has a Bcuz buwa. Me go have no wala lao. Ebony, you know what I mean, and you know it all. Me why make you boost them. Forget them. Forget the like forget person, not answer them. Ni go ma be ni aka la area ni agbin wuri na. See, na queen abi before they come for me, they go for them. Me Ebony asset is egbe. Ni me ga kinu wa la o kinu wa agbin wuri na me. E de wa so agbin na de me so aleluwa. E aleluwa se kinu wa agbon ese. Kinu wa agbon ese na. Eh. Kinu wa agbon ese na. Me eh. Ebony. Here Bcuz be here muscle where they be not answer them, leave them for us, leave them for me, leave them for people where no truth. E keni agbin hunare, you only have to be agbon now. Or what say less? If any happen to Ebony, you are to be held responsible. Who be this me Prince Oduwa? Wagbeo. What you want to put to Ebony? What you want to put on her? One of the rat like threat no man, what you want to put on her? Say because you come on for her. That's what you want to put on her. Say one president will that she can consider the talk nonsense. That's what you want to put on her. When people when she call actress, when she call colleague, they finally come out, they say they be ashawo, because they talk ashawo news for public. That's what you want to put on her. What you want to put them not they will not work but not day or when They not work when all day were weapon. What no mama de gbe wona. They not work when all day were when ugbe Priso duwa. They not work when all day you were where. Well, if you are boo, then you are boo. If anything happens to Ebony, it will be her responsibility. Who else want to happen to Ebony? Why are them who worry? Except that. Who are them who worry? They worry you. And not a big control on our mouth. And not there's a big control on your mouth. But they know he's who die. Who that he read on the Bema when I get the mobile. Every here that's who die. I was on the Bema Banana Magwabuye. Never boy. Well, so was your gilly, you done. You don't work with Bodo. Lao will be so many mamma now. Try. I know you can do it. I know you know your job. I know you're not going to let anybody use anything testing this or 2022. In what protected beginning of your New Year's, Bana. Egg more of sorrow your January. January not good gaga, but not hateful. Egg more of sorrow your way. The more of sorrow your way, my sister. Lagbera. Or setting than the January Lagbera. You will see every other thing when we call the call for February. You will see the normal immaterial things. I beg. Just they do your thing, they go. Just they do your own, they go. Not fight anybody. Not reply to anybody. She talk. I tanana. I'm a your panu tangible. I've never seen what tangible thing bring come and say you don't do. Please don't let them have it. Let your God, everything where you know, where you believe, fight this fight. Injustice fight for you. Let them fight this injustice fight for you. I beg. Ele lo moro pagbe na ko wa wo we here. Ebe yiria because ema wonu do yiria ema ka we ba mo. Ama wetin ya wonu do yiria. E money ati e money ro. E ya disruption na. When you amati omo na banish you we. So for that simple reason, don't apologize to anybody. And there I stand. Who be this person? May I block you? I beg go. I don't talk my own finish. I want to go back to my area where I saw if they do. Man, where they do. Amen. I beg. Shizi Alishi. We dedicate Ebony Obasiji to you and your movie industry. Shasha Ike Fani, please. We dash our sister to you, our sister Ebony. We dash her to you. Mercy Johnson, her role model. Ebony said you are her role model. Ebony said she loves you so much. Ebony said everything about you is what, in fact, she adore everything about you, Mercy Johnson. So for that reason, we dedicate our Edo Queen of movie to you. Dash for free. We dedicate her to you. Good evening. Mama Ushe Nasi, we dash you our Queen of Edo movie, Ebony Obasuji. We dash go, carry go. You Edoshe, we dash our sister Ebony Obasuji to you. Carry go. She sabi all role for movie. She's good to go. We are by her side. We go to pray, we go to push on the go. She will do well. In fact, she dey do well. Who be the next person? Mommy, motola ya like day. We dedicate and we dash our sister Ebony to you. Please, carry go. Put her to a better role, better one that this village movie shall be acting. Put her, lift her big and lift her well. Thank you. Mommy Rita Dominic. We dash our sister Ebony Obasuji to you. Please, you guys should come and carry her out of Edo State. Take her to Abuja, take her to Lagos, take her to Asaba, take her to anywhere, take her to Jos, take her to America. She has been to UK, Europe, not be a problem, but we want you all, we want to see her where we are seeing you people. In fact, we want to see her above you people. Yes, please. Who is the next person where they love? In here, my latest mother in town. Please, My Ebony look like you. She's beautiful like you. She get big nash like you. She get big breast like you. In fact, her breast big past your own, and nash big past your own, and she look like you. With dash attitude, you be her best friend, okay? Work with her. She's good. Who again? Regina Daniel. That one don't be husband wife. She don't do movie. But anyhow, Regina Daniel, my billionaire, youngest billionaire, and the youngest among the youngest billionaire in the universe. In fact, we dash our sister Ebony Obasuji to you and your industry. Please work with her. She's good to go. Who again? Oh, my second Ebony Obasuji. My second Ebony Obasuji in another land. My second Ebony Obasuji in another land. Anita Joseph, sorry. Anita Joseph, please, from another womb. Ebony is your sister from another womb. She's your sister that you don't know. Come, maybe you know her, you are seeing her from a distance. Come close to her. Hey, she have many AKA like you. She have many AKA, many AKA. Don't let my sister